Thanks for staying with us. Taking a live look outside on the CorwinAuto.com Valley Skycam, part of the Storm Team Skycam network. Looking off towards the south, some gloomy skies here in the Fargo-Moorhead area. In fact, across much of the region, we've warmed up just a touch, up to 75 degrees now. Winds out of the east and southeast at 10 miles per hour. Very humid out there. Fuel for those thunderstorms as we head through this evening. 77 down in Sisseton, 75 in the Wahpeton-Breckenridge area. Also 75 down in Fergus Falls. Winds primarily out of the east and southeast as we've gone through the evening hours. Those will continue. Bright white clouds off towards the northeast and to the south and southwest. Underneath the clouds, we've got some showers and some thunderstorms. The big blue box, that severe thunderstorm watch, that in effect until 1 a.m. And we have seen some strong and even severe storms for a time earlier this afternoon up across northern Minnesota. Off towards the west, more general rains over towards the Crookston area, Grand Forks area, and up towards Grafton and points off towards the south. Brand new tornado warning issued for Brown County. Tornado observed with this storm. If you live in these areas, you're going to want to take your tornado precautions. This tornado about a mile south of the Groton area, moving to the north at 40 miles per hour. So we've got a tornado warning in that area, and our storm chaser, Eric Whitehill, is in that region. If we can take his feed. We have his feed. He's getting into position for that storm as we speak. And I believe he's making it through. I'm not sure where he is right there, but we'll continue to monitor Eric Whitehill's feed as we make it through the rest of the evening. For us, tornado watch or severe thunderstorm watch again continues until 1 a.m. The tornado watch down here continues through the rest of the evening. Numerous warnings off towards the south, and these storms will continue to lift off towards the north and northeast and into the region. So even in the Northern Valley, you already dealt with one round of severe storms this morning. May see more severe storms later on tonight. We'll show you that to you in the hour-by-hour forecast. Off toward the south, also dealing with severe storms. A couple of severe thunderstorm watches down in that area, and numerous severe thunderstorm warnings in the Texas and Oklahoma Panhandle and parts of Kansas, and even up into parts of Nebraska. For us, as we head through the rest of the evening, this model overdoing the initiation just a little bit, but we will see quite a few showers and thunderstorms developing as we head through this evening. A very stormy time of it, and we'll continue to monitor things as we head through the evening. This low will continue to lift off towards the north rather quickly, and by about 3 o'clock tomorrow morning, most of this activity well off toward the north, and we'll start to see some quieter conditions. But until then, we're going to have to deal with the possibility of some very large hail, some damaging winds, and even in the severe thunderstorm watch, you could still see some isolated tornadoes, especially as we head through the next several hours. As we head through the early morning hours tomorrow, it'll be mostly quiet, but as we head through the day tomorrow, we'll see a chance for a few showers and thunderstorms making their way through the northern valley, the southern valley. We're going to see some nice conditions with temperatures warming into the 80s across the south and 70s across the north, cooling into the 60s and 70s by tomorrow evening. The risk is still there. Southern Valley in an enhanced risk for severe storms, a slight risk off towards the north. And again, that severe thunderstorm watch in effect for much of eastern North Dakota, western Minnesota until 1 a.m. Tornado watch for the rest of the evening for northeastern South Dakota. And again, that brand new tornado warning down for Brown County. That's a storm with a tornado on the ground. If you live in those areas, you want to take your tornado precautions. Here in Fargo, low 60s to start off your Wednesday, but by lunchtime, we're going to see a nice warm up into the middle 70s. And by the end of the day, a breezy west wind going to warm us up into the 80s under partly to mostly sunny skies. Picture of the day, spectacular shot of some Mattis clouds. This from last Friday. Those pouch-looking clouds in the sky in association with some severe storms last week. Thanks to Lori for sending that in. We're going to use that as the background to our 7-day forecast. Quieter conditions tomorrow, at least here in Fargo, off toward the north. Could still see a few isolated showers and storms, and that chance for some showers and storms as we head through your Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Father's Day Sunday. Next week, a break in the action Monday, and then more showers and storms on Tuesday. So a lot just getting underway. That the severe thunderstorm watch just issued a few minutes ago, and that brand new tornado warning down in Brown County. We'll continue to monitor that. Eric Whitehill headed to that storm. He's just a few miles away from it, and we'll let you know as we head through the rest of the show and the rest of the evening.
Busy night.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Thanks, Robert.